SimpleHouseware Foldable Closet Laundry Hamper Basket Review. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this closet laundry hamper basket for yourself, make sure to check out the links below this video. I chose to get this laundry hamper in black, but it comes in a variety of colors that include beige, brown, dark blue, dark gray, gray pink, red, turquoise, and black. It's very reasonably priced at under $20 and is made of good quality materials. It's polyurethane. It's easily folded up for easy storage, fits in most closets, space, or bedrooms or bathrooms. Cut out sides for easy transport with the handles. And as I mentioned, it's probably made of really nice material. It's very super easy to assemble, a couple folds, and it's ready to use. It's very easy to use and maneuver, and is a good size. Is deep enough at 22.75 inches in height, and has a width and length of 13 inches. It has a capacity of 44 liters. I'm highly impressed with the quality of this laundry hamper, and I think you'll love it too. If you want to get this laundry hamper for yourself at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below.